So you make good money, but somehow there's never quite enough left for what you want. Let's fix that. Today, I'm going to break down budget categories that actually move the needle so you can easily see where your money is going and be able to keep more of it. And if you want to see how you're currently doing financially, make sure to download my free checklist for financially empowered women. The link is in the description below. So here's what no one really tells you. When you're making your budget, the simpler the categories, the faster the results. And the reason why this is because you are not going to be so overwhelmed. So you're more likely to stick with it and see results. A lot of times we feel like we have to get so specific and we end up writing everything down, and before you know it, your spreadsheet is 100 rows long and it's so detailed that you're not really able to see any trends easily, and it's just a bunch of data at the end of the day, and it really does not give you the answers that you're looking for. Besides that, you get overwhelmed and frustrated with it, and you end up just ditching the whole idea, saying screw it, and going back to your old ways. So instead of going really detailed, let's back up for a moment. Let's go more to that 30,000 foot view. And we're going to start off with 4 simple categories. Category number 1 is your essentials. So this bucket is for rent, utilities, groceries, gas, like literally things that you can't skip. The second category is lifestyle. So these are things like restaurant meals, beauty, entertainment, travel, all of the fun things that you do. The third category is your financial goals. So this is your savings, your investments, your paying down of your debt. Actual progress happens here in this bucket. And then last but not least, the fourth category is giving. So this is your gifts, your donations, anything that really matters to you to be able to give back to others. So you want to track your spending by categorizing them into one of these 4 categories. So let's put this in as an example. I want you to picture yourself in this scenario. You're absolutely crushing it at work. You're doing amazing. You are bringing in really good money. You're really proud of yourself. But every payday comes and you just end up feeling like you're broke. So you start tracking every little thing. Every run to Starbucks, the face cream that your friend recommended, your impulse Target runs after work. And at the end of the day, your budgeting spreadsheet was massive. Now you're going to picture yourself instead taking each of those expenses and putting them into one of those 4 categories that we just talked about. You're going to be able to see easily where your money leaks are, where your money is mostly going towards, and you'll be able to clearly see where you need to make some changes. Budgeting is not going to be so much of a chore anymore, and you're going to be able to actually enjoy your spending instead of feeling guilty. And you're going to be able to see that savings or those other financial goals that you have for yourself actually coming true. So how does your budgeting look right now? Is it super detailed, or are you not even doing a budget at all? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, if you want a really quick snapshot to see how you're doing with your finances, where you are currently knocking it out of the park, or maybe also some areas that you haven't been paying as close attention to that you should, make sure that you download my free checklist down in the description below. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to give it a like and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my next video. I'll see you in the next one.